Workers' compensation is a really complex process, and we're here to make it a lot smoother for everyone involved. Transparency and communication are key.
And safety is always ways of doing things better.
We want to get people back to work and home safely.
GenusPlus Group is an end-to-end construction and service provider for the power and communications sector. We operate across all states in Australia with 15 branches and offices across the country.
Their values are spot on. They really do look after their people, and so it's the same with us. We need to look after their people as well.
They don't go home each day, so they're away on shifts, and that becomes a real family atmosphere because that's who you're relying on to be around and support you while you're away. We're always working in high-risk environments, especially dealing with live networks and the power infrastructure that we work with. It's really important that they constantly have got safety at the front of their minds. Actually joined the CGU a couple of weeks after I started. We had a higher TRIFR rate at that point in time, and there's a massive focus from the leadership team to improve that because we knew we wouldn't be able to continue to grow if we weren't improving our safety record.
So the strategy was to create an overarching group check or safety, health, environmental quality framework. So there was just one standard and one culture across Genus.
Without us, it could be quite complex, especially if you're not experienced in workers' comp, because it is a difficult thing. There's legislations that have to be adhered to, and a lot of the time they don't know those things, so they rely on us to ensure that they're doing the right thing.
It's important for CGU Workers Comp to know that safety is important, because if they're treating their employees properly and have proper safe work environments, that's just a testament to the type of company they're going to be as a client as well as for their employees.
We got involved in some employer training. We also did a special one where we went out to their premises because there were supervisors that couldn't come, they couldn't leave the business to come here, but it was something that was going to be really important for them. And I think that helped with the safety aspect and to understand what happens when somebody's injured. Genus also caring so much about their workers, the claim numbers have dropped hugely.
It makes me feel good. It makes me feel like our company looks after us and that they care about us and they want us to go home to our families.
The company is clearly in a better place than what it was, and I think really to see that across a number of insurers is fantastic. We don't want to see history repeating itself. We want to leave insurers in positions where they're in so much better place, and that will then spill onto their workers being safer as well.
Our premiums have come down over time, and a lot of that is created by the effort we put into the safety systems and improvement of our safety record. And a byproduct of that is CGU understanding what we're doing and being able to see that we are on a journey to get better.
The Think Safe, Work Safe, Home Safe safety motto is basically all about creating a safety culture, and it's about our mindset. It's about empowering our workforce so they're in charge of their own safety, and they can, if they see anything, they are empowered to stop it or call it out.
Myself and Linda have built a really good relationship with Genus, got to know them as people. We are working together, and we do get best outcomes by working together. And I think with that comes the trust.
There's no one silver bullet, we're still on the journey, but what we are focused is we've got commitment from our leadership team, and within the workforce we'll continue to improve.
We're a well-oiled machine now, and we get it done and we enjoy doing it, so yeah, it's a win-win.